Why and how to set up a manufacturing business for disposable plastic syringes. Disposable plastic syringes are essential medical devices used for injecting medications, vaccines, and drawing blood samples. The demand for these syringes has surged due to their single-use nature, which prevents cross-contamination and the spread of infections. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps and requirements to set up a manufacturing business for disposable plastic syringes, the machinery needed, market demand, and opportunities for startups. Why set up a disposable plastic syringe manufacturing business? 1. High demand. The global disposable syringes market was valued at $7.44 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach $13.71 billion by 2033, growing at a CAGR of 6.3%. This growth is driven by the increasing prevalence of chronic diseases, rising healthcare expenditures, and the need for safe medical practices. 2. Health and safety. Disposable syringes are preferred over reusable ones due to their ability to prevent infections and ensure patient safety. 3. Government support. Many governments are promoting the use of disposable syringes to prevent the spread of diseases, providing a supportive regulatory environment. 4. Technological advancements. Innovations in syringe manufacturing, such as autodisposable syringes, are creating new opportunities for businesses. Requirements for plant and machinery. Plant requirements. 1. Location. Choose a location with adequate infrastructure, including access to utilities like water, electricity, and transportation. 2. Space. A minimum area of 30 square meters for molding and 15 square meters for assembling is recommended. The assembly area should be air-conditioned and equipped with HEPA filters. 3. Regulatory approvals. Obtain necessary licenses from the Drug Control Agency and ensure compliance with local environmental regulations. Machinery requirements. 1. Injection molding machine, for molding the syringe components, barrel, plunger, needle cover, and needle adapter. 2. Tube cutting machine, to cut the needle tubes to the required size. 3. Honing machine, to enhance the surface finish of the needle tubes. 4. Water jet cleaner, for cleaning the needle tubes. 5. Mixer with heating and cooling arrangement, for mixing raw materials. 6. Weighing machine, to measure raw materials accurately. 7. Grinder, for grinding raw materials. 8. Molds, for different syringe sizes, 1 ml, 2 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml, and 50 ml. 9. Graduation printing machine, for printing measurement scales on the syringes. 10. Syringe assembly machine, for assembling the syringe components. 11. Sterilization chamber, for sterilizing the syringes using ethylene oxide. 12. Packaging machine, for packaging the sterilized syringes manufacturing process. 1. Raw material preparation. High purity polyethylene, PE, or polypropylene, PP, pellets are the primary raw materials. Other materials include stainless steel needle tubes, medical grade rubber seals, and printing ink. 2. Injection molding. The raw materials are fed into the injection molding machine to create the syringe components. 3. Needle preparation. Needle tubes are cut, honed, and ground to create the bevel, then cleaned using a water jet cleaner. 4. Assembly. The syringe components are assembled using the syringe assembly machine. 5. Sterilization. The assembled syringes are sterilized using ethylene oxide to ensure they are free from contaminants. 6. Printing and packaging. Measurement scales are printed on the syringes, and they are packaged using the packaging machine. Market demand and opportunities. Market demand. The disposable syringes market is witnessing significant growth due to several factors. 1. Increasing healthcare expenditure. Rising healthcare spending globally is driving the demand for disposable syringes. 2. Growing prevalence of chronic diseases. The increasing incidence of chronic diseases necessitates frequent medical interventions. boosting the demand for syringes. 3. Government initiatives. Supportive government policies and initiatives to prevent the spread of infectious diseases are promoting the use of disposable syringes. Opportunities for startups. 1. Innovation. Startups can focus on developing eco-friendly and biodegradable syringes to address environmental concerns. 2. Customization. Offering customized syringe sizes and types for specific medical applications can create a niche market. 3. Export potential. With the global demand for disposable syringes on the rise, there are significant export opportunities, especially in regions with growing healthcare infrastructure. 4. Partnerships. Collaborating with healthcare institutions and government agencies can provide a steady market for your products. How NPCS can help entrepreneurs. At Near Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, we provide comprehensive services for setting up new industries or businesses. Our services include market survey and detailed techno-economic feasibility report. Our reports cover the manufacturing process, market research, flow sheet diagrams, product mix, machinery details, raw material details, and complete project financials to assess project feasibility. As industrial project consultancy, we offer detailed project reports and business plans to help you set up your new industry or business. Expert guidance. Our team of experts provides guidance on regulatory compliance, machinery selection, and market strategies. By partnering with NPCS, you can ensure a smooth and successful setup of your disposable plastic syringe manufacturing business. Have any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.